Hi friends, I'm Luma, and this is a new video from TinyZen Kids. Today we're going to enjoy a fun yoga session together, and my friend is here to help us. Let's gently unfold our mat. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Are you ready? Let's start. Before we begin, if you enjoy yoga with me, tap like and subscribe to TinyZen Kids so you don't miss any new adventures. Let's start with a breathing game. We breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay still, 1, 2, 3, 4, great job, let's do it one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay still, 1, 2, 3, 4, great job. Now, let's become a strong mountain. Bring your feet together, stretch your legs nice and tall, hands in prayer at your heart, close your eyes, stand firm and still, like a big, powerful mountain. Let's stay here for 30 seconds. You are strong, you are calm, you are steady. Now let's grow into a tall tree. Stand strong on one foot. Place the other foot on your leg. Hands together at your heart. Find your balance. If you wobble, that's okay. Trees move in the wind. Stay tall and proud. You are calm, strong, and growing every day. Great job. Now slowly lower your foot. Let's change sides. Stand strong on the other leg. Place your foot gently. Find your balance again. Stay tall and steady. You're growing stronger and stronger. Ready for a fun challenge? Feet together, bend your knees, sit on your invisible chair. Lift your hands up high. Stay strong, feel the power in your legs. You've got this. Now let's reach for the sky. Feet together, stretch your body tall and straight. Bring your hands together and lift them high above your head, like you're touching the clouds. Grow taller and taller. Feel long, strong, and bright. Amazing job, little yogis. Now let's try a forward fold. Feet together, slowly bend your body down. Can you touch your toes? If not, hold your ankles. That's perfect too. Let your head relax. You're doing great. Keep breathing. Now let's sit like a shiny diamond. Gently come down to your knees. Sit back on your feet. Keep your back nice and tall. Hands resting softly on your legs. Sit proud and calm, strong and peaceful like a diamond. Ready for a big stretch? Come up on your knees. Slowly lean your body back. Can you reach your heels with your hands? Footprint. Open your chest. Look up to the sky. Feel brave and strong like a camel in the desert. Breathe and shine. Let's curl into child's pose. Kneel down, fold your body forward, rest your forehead on the mat, arms soft and relaxed, let your back stretch, and breathe very slowly. Come on, you're doing amazing. Now for our final rest. Crescent moon. Lie down on your back, arms and legs soft and relaxed. Close your eyes, slow and gentle breaths. Feel your body melting into the mat. Stay calm and peaceful. Just relax and enjoy. Thank you for practicing with me today, little yogis. I'm so proud of you. Remember, every time you move and breathe, you grow stronger, calmer, and healthier. If you enjoyed our yoga time, tap like and subscribe to TinyZen Kids so we can keep growing together. Keep shining, keep breathing, keep doing yoga. See you in our next adventure.